With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question is which of the following is correct? And the first statement is using ball bearing, sliding friction changes to rolling friction. Second is lubricants decreases friction since intermolecular forces are weak in liquids. And the third one is over polishing increases friction since surface adhesion increases. And the fourth one is all of the above. So we have to decide which of the statement is correct one. So first statement is using ball bearing, sliding friction changes into rolling friction. The sliding friction can be changed into rolling friction easily by providing the wheels. Okay, so in case by providing, if this is a wheel, okay, so here the sliding friction, sliding friction can change into rolling friction. How can change into rolling friction? How? If we provide the wheels or ball bearings to the objects to reduce the friction. Okay, if we use the ball bearings, then it will reduce friction. Okay, and facilitate the easy movement. Okay, so that in that case, then the sliding friction will be converted into the rolling friction, because here there will be the reduce in its friction, so that it converted into the rolling friction. Hence option number 1 is the correct one, or statement 1 is the correct one. Then the second one is lubricants decreases friction since intermolecular forces are weak in liquids. So the lubricants reduces the heat generated when two surfaces are in motion. Okay, if this is one surface and this is another surface, if the two surfaces are in motion, okay, if both the surfaces are in motion, then the lubricants reduces the heat generated. Lubricants generally we use because it reduces heat generated. Okay, so it means it smoothens the process by forming a film between the two surfaces that reduces the friction. Okay, so here also lubricant also reduces the friction. So that here heat generated will be reduced by these lubricants. Okay, so in the how it smoothens the process by forming a film between the two surfaces. If this is one surface and this is the second surface and both the surfaces are in motion, then here we use the lubricant because it forms the film between the two surfaces by reducing its friction, thus improves performance and efficiency. Then there will be an increase, or there will be a good in performance and efficiency. Performance and efficiency. Okay, it means lubricant here improves the performance and efficiency. Then the third one is over polishing increases friction since surface adhesion increases. So when the surfaces in contact are polished beyond a certain limit, number of atoms and molecules of the surfaces in contact increases and distance between them decreases. Okay, therefore the strong adhesive forces come into play. Here the strong adhesive forces come into play. Strong adhesive force come into play. Their adhesive forces come into play, then they are responsible for the increasing the friction. Hence the adhesive force are responsible for increasing friction. Adhesive force will be the responsible for increasing the friction. How? So because when the surfaces in contact are polished beyond a certain limit, then the number of atoms or molecules of the surfaces in contact increases and the distance between them decreases. Okay, so if let's say this is the two atoms or two molecules. Okay, so when the surfaces in contact are polished beyond the certain limit, then these two atoms or molecules of the surfaces in contact increases, means their contact will be increased so that their distance will be decreased. here if they gradually come closer, means if they are gradually come in contact with each other, then the distance will decrease. Okay, so here the distance will decreases. Okay, in that case, so that there will be a strong adhesive force between the atoms or molecules, which is responsible for the increasing in friction. Okay, hence we can say that over polishing increases the friction since surface adhesion increases. Hence both all the three statements are correct. So here option number 4 is the correct, that is all of the above. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.